Alright. I have all the skins, everything. So let's unbox the rest of these Shadow Eve's chest and see what we get inside these things. Not bad, not bad. Good start. I like it. I can never not have enough boost, I guess, right? Boosted for days over here. Just keep, see how many we have. Alright, so we start off fresh. Oh god, I'm fucked. This is it, boys. It's gonna be boost for days. Give me the loot crates. Let's go back to the loot crates. God. I mean, I prefer XP over rep boost, right? These are wins too. Like it's pretty rip. If it was days, we'd be talking, but it's wins. I never lose a game, so I'll run out of these in no time. Shit. Those come out like they're worth something, a rep boost. Straight up rep, I like it. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see in my life. You get keys in here too? I hope you get some keys. Mastery token? No, that's dope. Just cause like I fucking don't have enough rep to get this shit to begin with. I'm assuming that's everything you can get out of here. Maybe a key. I'm not banking on it, but I don't think you get any skins or anything else out of here after you get all the Halloween skins. Could be wrong. Three loot crates, not bad, not bad. Oh, there you go. I got a key. Now I think I got everything. Oh, back to back, baby. Back to back. Back to back. We're golden. What kind of luck is that? Oh, now we won't get. Oh! I was about to say something, but we'll just not say anything. Shut the fuck up. Alright, we're gonna talk about it again. I thought that was gonna be the last thing. We better get some more out of here. I was gonna say, we're not gonna get nothing for the rest of the... until we're about halfway through. I'm done. Leave me, I'm dead. There we go. Back at it. What's that, like 5 now? 6? Boom, headshot. And another one. And another one. think I'm opening too fast. I'm getting the same thing over and over. Gotta give it time to start. Oh, click, 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 click. Go, go, go. I think I got it. Go, go, go. Aw, fuck. Give it a countdown. Alright. No. There we go. Back at it. Back at it again. No. Alright, we're almost halfway through. We had 192, we're at 110 or 9. Open sesame. Bugged the game out, boys. I bugged the game out. Loot crates for days. Let's go. Feels like Christmas over in this bitch. Let's go. Back to back again. Feels fishy. But we won't talk about it. Damn. Ooh. Let's go. Oh man. Fuck this game. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Back to back. Come on. Oh, I'm done. It's over. $69. Let's go. Open up. Team? Team? Not like this. Caught on to me, boys. Caught on to me. Like, not today. Boom. No, I already had a bunch of keys. I just didn't have crates. Oh, I have a bunch more keys now. So we'll see what I have at the end of this. Check the boost out. Check the keys out. The good look ski. See how many crates I got. I had 0 crates, I know that. I think I had 0 crates. Maybe. Maybe I'll get some recolors out of them crates or something, who knows. Almost finished. Home stretch, home stretch. 17 left. A couple more crates in the bag. A little more rep boost here and there. You know, usual. Alright, so at least we figured out you can't really get nothing else out of here. It's good to know. No other skins or anything like that. Emotes, none of that. None of the sorts. Boosts and keys and tokens, crates, a little bit of rep on the side. You know, not too shabby. Free stuff's free stuff. I'll take anything I can get. It's better than those other crates they give out. That's hand you that. Here's a 100 or 325 rep or something. You know. Well, 2 card packs. 5 card packs. Got you. It's on me. Alright, so let's check out. Alright, so we got a couple loot crates out of this deal. 27 loot crates, not bad. Couple keys. What else do we have? How many tokens do we get? 7 tokens. Can't beat it. Yeah. Thanks for checking it out.